How to fix the issue of this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Telegram app, log in with your account details and simply click on the channel which you want to open. Click on start and simply click on the link at the top. After that, you will be heading toward Google Chrome. For that, first you need to log in again in your Google Chrome. Now before the channel opens, you will see these two options. Simply toggle the options and click on save. After that, you will be able to access the channel. Now, the next step is to go to Telegram again. Click on the three lines at the top right corner and go to settings. After you go to settings, simply head toward privacy and security. Here you need to make sure in sensitive content, simply choose the option of disable filtering. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to fix the issue of cannot display this channel on Telegram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.